Career Hack 5 minutes. We are going to start today the first episode. We can see that we have several questions are here. So I'm gonna select one question. What about the first question? Let me. Okay, lots of beautiful question. I'm gonna take one question and try to give you tools how we can solve that. Okay, how to manage a schedule for one after another is very irritating. The question is sent by Tastuba Rahman. Okay, Tastuba, thank you for sending a beautiful question. This is actually the time management skill that we already discussed in our program. How to manage your time schedule. It's very frustrating when you are not able to manage your schedule, and automatically the loss of pending works started, and then you feel irritated. Okay, so what to do? The first thing important is you can distribute all your works in 4 categories. The number 1 is important and urgent. Number 2 is urgent but not important. Number 3 is important but not urgent, and finally number 4 is neither important neither urgent. So first you write down all your tasks, whatever the tasks you have, okay, and then try to find out what are the most important and urgent work you have to do it. Okay, then go to the next level is urgent but not important, that you have to finish some of the urgent work, but these are not important but these are urgent. The number 3, it will be like important but not urgent. Some of the works are very much important, but that's not urgent that you have to complete right now. You can keep them for the later on. Okay, so first one, as I already said, that urgent and important, these are the most important tasks you must do every day. Within your schedule, you try to find out that these are the work I must complete. Okay, and opposite of this urgent and important, there are some, that's for number 4, there is not urgent and not important. So those work you don't need to think about this, just eliminate those work. If you have enough time, then you can do those kind of things. That can be like checking your Facebook, or could be tracking down one of the old friends or something, which is like you don't know, it's just only this work you think that these are important, but or sometimes you can think that these are important or urgent, but actually these are not important or urgent. So you can skip those category of work. So every day, all your works, you try to designate all this work in 4 categories. Okay, again I'm repeating for everyone again. The number 1, important and urgent. Try to find out what are the important. That's number 1 is like looking after your health. This is the most important work. I believe that you must look after your health. Number 2 could be important and urgent. Number 2 could be your study, your academic planning and everything. Number 3 would be like something that is like you I don't know, maybe you know what are the tasks. So you try to find out that what are the important and urgent that you have to do it every single day, or most of the time you have to do it. Then number 2 is urgent but not important. Okay, try to find out those work that you have to do it. These are not important work, but you have to do it. Okay. Number 3 is important but not urgent. These are some of the important works. You can do it later on, but these are not urgent, like you have to do it right now. Okay. And number 4 is neither urgent neither important. So always remember, when you plan your schedule, all the tasks with this way, you can manage your schedule every single day. Okay, so thank you. Please do send more questions. I love to see more questions from you all, and it will be fantastic to go every day. We like to go live to share this idea with you, and I hope that this solution not only just help you, but whoever watching this thing, always remember this 4 ways to schedule your tasks so that you can balance your time. Thank you so much.